don't stop.
Hello, my name is Sexy K. Welcome to my channel, New Looks. This is my very first video and I'm very happy to be with you. Before you continue watching this video, which I believe you will do, I want you to do me 4 things. First, press the subscribe button. 2, press the notification bell. 3, give me thumbs up. And 4, leave your comment below. Today I will show you how I make my big braids using expression here with my handmade lace frontal cap. Use any other one depending on your body color. This is the hair that I used. It's called Expression 100% Canicolor. It's the new expression in town. As you can see, it's already cut and dropped, so you don't need to draw it. Cut a little bit of the hair. Use the big knitting crochet needle for the stretch cap. Close it, pass the needle in the cap, attach small portion of the hair to the needle and pull out. Do a Now look carefully how I pass the hair. You will first of all divide the hair into 2. Take your first finger, pass it under the other finger. Continue like that. To apply the twisting method for the edges. By doing this, the braids will last longer. Do the same throughout. Put it in hot water. It will help the hair to look neat and nice. You can apply the towel in the hot water, then place it on top of the hair. By doing this, it will help the hair to last longer. You want it to smell nice and